All right, are we live here? All right, guys, we are live. Today we are checking out our Cyberkongz token claim. Now, guys, this is my first live in like 2 years. It took me a little bit to figure out, but I think it's going to work out well. Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully there's audio. We'll find out after this stream is over. But yeah, all right, let's jump into it. So we are the claim went live this morning. So we need to come over here in our Cyberkongz app to claim. Oh, real quick, as you can see, the stake started over. So if you remember from yesterday, I had 198 million Kong points. Now I only have 148,000. So we need to jump on this very quickly. Here's why. No particular reason other than I am number 35 on the leaderboard. That is not good. Let's see. Right here. So what I need to do is I have 306 Kong tokens that I need to claim and then stake. So let me go ahead and do that real quickly. Originally, I was going to claim them and then not stake them. I was going to try and flip them, but as per usual, the claim went live. Everybody dumped. Market cap lost like $150,000. But that's fine. I'm super excited. Obviously, at this point in time, Bitcoin is pumping, and that's cool. All right, here we go. So we got those 300. So now let's quickly go over to our claim, and we have 748,000 tokens. So let's go ahead and claim these. Let's see here. All right. Let's wait for that to confirm. And I hope you guys are doing well today. Let me open up my energy drink. Drinking an orange flavored Jocko Go, one of my new favorite drinks. Claimed. All right, let's see. Claim completed for this wallet. Let's go back to our dashboard. Should show 1,054,000. So here's the question. Do we want to come over here and do we want to reveal, or sorry, not reveal, but evolve any of these? Now, currently, I have this guy right here is only level 1 of 7, but I really like his hoodie. This guy's 7 of 7. This guy's only 2 of 7. This one we could get really good traits because if he's only 2 of 7 and he has the Demonborn trait, then we could go a lot higher, I think, as far as traits go. This one maxed out at Unga Bunga. Let's see. Evolve. Oh, we can actually do this one more time. There's 8 evolutions, I believe. Ugh, that's difficult. That's difficult. And then this one can also go. This one could also go. One more time. That's 240. That's a quarter. That's a quarter of what I have. So we have a secret. Flaming Head is a secret trait. Uncommon, uncommon, uncommon. This one's got a secret, a rare, and 2 uncommons. And this one is a mythic. Wonder if secret's higher than mythic. I'm not 100% sure on that. Uncommon, uncommon, uncommon. And then this guy is just. Oh, the black hoodie is an epic trait. And he's only on his first evolution. But I like it so much. I don't want a more rare trait for the look. I like the look. I think I have to keep this. I think I have to keep this the same. Um, Everyone's been evolving and it looks fun, but I think I'm gonna wait. Let's go back here. Let's just be safe. Let's go ahead and stake the max amount here. Because we can unstake at any time a portion or all of it. Excuse me. All right. And then Let's see. Maybe we can look at the charts while we're live here. We'll do a little bit of TA. Oh, you know what? Let us do this. How do I do this? Let's see. Tokens, Kong. Let's look at Kong. Let's see what Kong's doing. Let's see if everyone's selling or if anyone is buying. Let's see if anyone at all is buying. So that's the daily. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. Ooh, man, look at that. All right, let's see. Let's see what's going on. Let's see how much people are selling. So we have, oh, 52. That's not much. There's that. Oh, that's buy. I'm a dummy. Okay, let's look at the big sells. Nope. That's big sells. Well, let's do. How do I reverse it? I can't go the other way. Oh, they have to be up here at the top. Okay, sell. Total 423,111. The 10th. Oh, I wonder if they're selling on like Uniswap or something and they're not showing up here because all of these sell orders, these dumps have to be today. So why is it not showing up? That's today. That's today. Something's weird where it's not showing. That's really weird. Something's up here. Because clearly people are dumping. The market cap dropped by like $150,000 and it's not none of them are showing up on here. But when I buy on Uniswap, it will show up on here. That's really interesting. Let's see if there's anything weird in here. $960,000 liquidity. Total supply, that looks right. 270 million, 770 million out of 1 billion. Huh, very, very interesting. Okay, anyway, let's look at the charts real quick. You've got Ethereum on the daily. Let me do this. Let's make this easy on your eyes. All right, so we're looking at Ethereum. Nice cup and handle. We looked at this yesterday, I believe, with a nice break. I mean, look at this. Here's the neckline that we placed. And look at this candle. Boom, right off of there. And we actually hit the target. Let me go to like the 1 hour. Okay, so if you see this, what do they call these? Pendant. So you have this bull pendant, and then boom, this was the target. See this? That gap. Or maybe I had it like here. Move it to here on that white line. Boom, perfectly touched it. So now we're getting, I mean, it's not super clear, but we are getting a little bit of a pullback. What we're looking for is kind of some momentum movements. We also want to lose the 20 and the 8. But to be honest, I would look to, I did a little, I actually obviously went long from like here to here or something. And so what I'm looking for is a pullback to the 20 moving average on a lot of time frames. So for example, 23.99, 2400. So looking for a pullback to there to add a little bit more or go long again. We also have the 20 moving average all the way down here at the breakout point. We also have the neckline. The neckline is the neckline at 2400. If it is, I'm gonna laugh. No, the neckline is all the way back at 2340. Now we could argue that the neckline is somewhere in here. We have touch points, a wick, wick, and then a lot of activity. So you could argue that the neckline is as high as 2362. Real quick, let me actually go back here. And let's see these Kong points growing actually. Let's see if we can move up on the leaderboard. We have 2 million staked. This will essentially start doubling the amount that we're getting per minute, second, hour, and day. Oh, look, season 1. You can see what you got in season 1. And then now season 2. So we're just going to check here. I want to at least climb up out of this 35 position. Let's see. So above me is, oh, it takes a little while to update. Last updated, well, that's weird. I have that much staked, but it's not reflecting yet. Yeah, it still shows 1 million staked. Once that updates, then I should be able to climb past a lot of these guys who only have 1 million. Because I think a lot of people, I should at least be able to get up to like 24th place. And then some of these guys with less than 2 million will start to go down the leaderboard. Now, leaderboard has no impact on the amount of points or tokens or anything that you get. It's just your points in relation to other people's points. So not a big deal. All right, let's go back to the charts here. So waiting for a little bit. It's still keeping the 8. Let's look at Bitcoin. I kind of want to see what else is going on in the world with, let's look at Island. So yesterday I bought a little bit of Island with my ETH earnings. Holy cow. This is some interesting, this is on KuCoin. This is some interesting candles. I wonder why such volatility. But 194% up to almost a cent, almost 1 penny. Wicks. So this is a decent indication that we could go there. Obviously, it doesn't have to happen because, as you can see here, we have a wick all the way up, but we went down from there. Sometimes those green wicks up mean that you're going, it's a projection of where it wants to go. And then obviously, token itself could reach 70 cents. That would be nuts if it went back up to 70 cents. Oops. Can't zoom in far enough. It's so small and so far down. Okay. So on the daily, this is Nifty Island, by the way, guys. It's a third-person multiplayer, player versus player type game in Web3. Everyone gets a free island. You can get up to 2 islands if you want for free. You can build all the games, all the maps, bring in all of the elements that you want. Whatever you want to be in there, you can bring in there. So, boom. I mean, it's kind of regaining the 20-day, but it did here, and then it failed miserably. Here, this is decent. We have a daily candle up, daily candle up, daily candle up. And kind of a gap up. Wonder if this was from my buy the other day. We'll see. 0.035. That might have been from my buy purchase. All right, let's look at Bitcoin. So on the daily, we're still kind of in this. This is what I have right now. I wonder if it actually should look more like this. Boom, boom. Wonder if that's more accurate, actually. Boom, 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 boom. Retest, breakout, hit the 50-day. 8 and 20 are moving up past the 50-day. I mean, we could see clear skies up to 87,000. My guess is we'll actually reject back down to the 50, go sideways a little bit until the 8 and the 20 catch up, and then break above that 50 again. That's most likely in my head, my opinion, I guess. Let's see what else. Let's look at, see what gold and silver are doing, just for reference. Gold's green on the daily. above the 8, 50, and 20, top of the Bollinger Bands. Take a silver, green on the day. Let's look at this oil down. That's good for my gas tank, hopefully. Look at this madness. The last time this happened was, I don't remember this in 2022. I don't remember it affecting the gas pumps that much. I think there's some nefarious stuff going on. But they blamed the high oil prices on cost of oil, and because gas did not go up in 2022 by like 70% in like 2 weeks. Let's see. Okay, that's weird. Either they're just injecting liquidity and they want it to go up and they want everyone else to follow, or this is unhealthy. I'm not sure which one. Let's see. Weekly and 5 day. That seems like it's not good. But I mean, it did it here. But that's just like, that seems not healthy. It doesn't seem good. Let's look at some things like Meta, the daily. A good old Arizona Virgin Galactic. They actually have 3 plants. They got one in California, one in Arizona, one in New Mexico, and they basically make the parts in California. They assemble the parts in Arizona, and then they fly out from New Mexico. It's kind of a cool little system they have just going across the states. And actually, this looks really good here. Now we're still into the 200-day, but you've got larger volume here above the 20 and breaking through the 50. Obviously, I'm nervous about this one just because of all of that. And to be honest, I'd rather be in crypto because if you can do a 10x in stocks, I'd rather do a 10x in crypto or something. Let's see what the move was here from like this point. 40%. It's not awful. Amazon up on the daily. Look at the 5 day. Tesla, little rebound. Let's look at some banks. The thing's kind of rebounding. Ooh, Citigroup, holy cow. What deal did they make? Goldman, Morgan Stanley, Berkshire. Took the Dixie. All right, well, that's all I want to look at for those charts. Let me go back here. All right, let's see. 32. Okay, it looks like it's registered at some point 3 minutes ago. So now I have. Oh wait. Yeah, registered 2,054,000. So I'm moving up the leaderboard pretty quick. I should go twice as fast as all of these, and by the end of the day, should be somewhere in the 20s. So 32 went from 35 to 32. Should get up to like 25. Rank from 25 or something like that. And maybe a little bit higher because actually this guy, where's this other guy? This guy should also move up from 24 past some of these guys. Most of these don't have over 2 million. There we go. Oh, real quick. I wanted to see what 70 cents was just for fun times 200 and is it 242,000? So $170,000. So I have 142,000 island tokens, I believe. Actually, let's just do this. And if it ever goes back to 70 cents, then let's see, 142. Okay, that makes more sense. So 142,000 times 20. If it ever goes back to 70 cents, that'd be $120,000. Not too shabby for a $500 investment. So guys, if you are unfamiliar with Nifty Island, check them out. It's niftyisland.com. And I wonder if they have like a. Oh, we got disconnected. Reconnected. Okay. Um, Nifty Island. So you can basically make your own maps. For example, oh, you know what? Let me just go to. I'll show you my maps or islands, I guess. So here's an example of one. I've got this floating island here in the middle that's basically like a battle royale. There's like ammo that spawns all around the outside, and then ammo spawns all around the inside. And so you basically have to fight over it all on the middle. Up top, at the very top, is basically a bunch of tunnels that you have to run through and battle it out inside there. Down here we have two ships. I'm actually going to change these and make them bigger. But you basically have two ships where you just shoot bombs back and forth. So it's close quarters battle, but staying on your ships or whatever. Let's see here. I should be able to scroll through these somehow. Nope. So here is an example. This is inside those tunnels I was telling you about. They kind of look like Connex boxes or whatever. And here's up on that floating island I was telling you about. That's the center right there, where all the health, the stamina, the shielding, all of that stuff. Now, when you make your maps, you can choose whatever you want to go wherever you want. So I chose to put these one-shot kill sniper rounds over here, and all of the health, health, shielding, and stamina in the middle. So you get to basically make your own games and your own maps however you want. That's how Nifty Island works. So definitely check out Nifty Island, the Nifty Island token. They have quests that you can do, which earn you token rewards or NFT rewards, stuff like that. Well, let's see what this progress is. You have a reward ready to claim. Oh, what did I win? Oh, 5 Island. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. Oh, because I had 15 points. I think I won that raffle because I was the only person in that rank or realm to get it. All right, so let's check back here to the leaderboard, refresh the page. Looks like nothing has changed here. 319. I had a decent ETH trade this morning, and so I'm tempted to either get more Kong or more Island while it's super, super low. 31, so we're moving right on up. All right, I don't want to stay on here all day. It's already been 23 minutes. I just wanted to show you the claim as well as the restake. So claims, well, they already claimed it, season 1. I decided not to evolve any of these guys because I like them. I like them a lot. And so basically, at the end of today, I should have 2 million. Sorry, not at the end of today. In the first 24-hour period, I should have 2 million Kong points. So if we take 2 million Kong points per day times, say, 3 months, which would be 90 days roughly, I should have 180 million Kong points. All right, so this is kind of compounding where I got a bunch of tokens, about a 75% return from the first season, restake it, so now I have double, and I added 300,000 more for like, I think I only spent like $300 or something because the token was so cheap. I mean, if we look at 0.0008, that's really cheap. 0.00827. Let's get a little bit accurate. Or let's see. Divided by. I'm doing that right. Let's do it $500 divided by. So that would get us 600,000 tokens, 605,000 tokens for $500. And it's only at 320 million market cap, guys. That's pretty low. If it only went to like a 10 million market cap, that would be pretty nuts. So anyway, that's what we got for Kong. This is Nifty Island. Definitely check them out. You can basically create whatever file you want and import it as an object or item inside your game. Let's actually go ahead. I haven't got you yet, not yet. Right. Somehow I got pearls and I don't know how I got pearls. Right here, 2 pearls. Anyway, Cyberkongz. All right, I'm gonna bounce out of here. I got some work to do. I just wanted to show you guys the claim. 31. $75, 516. Oh, we might be able to. I should be past them. Once the leaderboard updates, I'll be back. I'll be up to 30. Because I have 182, but it hasn't updated yet. And this guy has 175. Where is he at? 175. Yeah, it hasn't updated. It says 6 minutes ago. That's right. 6 minutes ago. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching my stream. It looks like I'm super excited to have gotten that Kong's claim because it was like September 10th last year that it started. And it's been a long time coming. It's been a long winter. It's been a long crypto winter. And so I'm just excited to finally see this claim. Let's see. Need to go back to. It's really cool kind of getting this claim and seeing the progress that Cyberkongz is making. I'm excited to see where Cyberkongz goes in the future. I'm excited to see crypto hopefully turn around in the near future. A lot of positive news coming out, and I hope that it continues to be positive. And guys, I just realized, I am so sorry. This audio is going to be crappy. I'm wearing a headset, and my headset's not plugged in. So if you're wondering why the audio is so bad, that's why. And on that note, I'm going to sign off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.